beyond refinement, beyond excellence, beyond total perfection. Cuckoo water purifiers, beyond standards.
What kind of water are you drinking? Boiled water? Filtered water? Is your water safe to be consumed? Hold on. Your water may damage you and your family's health. Pollution in drinking water is very common. Boiled water is contaminated with harmful heavy metals. Certain water filters are able to filter sediments, but not heavy metals and bacteria. Other water filters may be able to filter sediments and heavy metals, but they also filter the minerals which our body needs. According to the WHO, the criteria for clean, healthy drinking water are free from heavy metals, mild alkaline pH level, rich in minerals, and many more. Cuckoo's patented 6-stage filtration technology, which consists of a sediment filter, pre-carbon filter, natural filter, and nano-positive filter, is effective in removing heavy metals and harmful substances that are found in water, while preserving all the good minerals. Which is why Cuckoo water is not just ordinary water, it's the best mild alkaline water for your body. Now, you can enjoy Cuckoo's mild alkaline water from as low as 68 ringgit a month. That's not all. Cuckoo Natural Doctors will also service and change your filters with a steam sterilization process at no extra cost. Cuckoo Water Purifiers, for water with a mild alkaline pH level that is free of heavy metals and bacteria, as well as enriched with minerals. Remember, your water must have standards.